W, and U, E have the same sound.
U,
Mu, few, mu, nephew, view. Value, venue, rescue, argue, cue, hue. Write the missing letters. E, W, U, E. 1. He knew where the venue was. 2. Do not argue with our nephew. 3. He has a few new cues. 4. I value the hues of the view. 5. Rescue my nephew at the venue. Good job.
Bye!